I am Donita, your Pinay teacher in Norway. This week, I am here in Steinkjer, Norway.
And it is 14 degrees outside today. It rains a little bit, but still the sun shines. Steinkjer is one of the best preserved cities here in the country of Norway, and it is located in the innermost part of the Trondheim Fjord. Steinkjer City is beside to Levanger City, the place where I'm taking an English course to be a teacher. So I need to drive and sometimes to take our airplane to go from the two university where I'm taking up a completing course to be a qualified teacher here in Norway. The school system here in Norway and in the Philippines is pretty much different. That's why it is really helpful to me to take this completing course here in Oslo Metropolitan University. To have a driver's license here in Norway is not so easy. You can check my channel to see, and also to know more about the land of the midnight sun, Norway, and to know about the northern lights of Norway and all those activities that you can enjoy while staying here in Norway, just like to go skiing in the winter. It's not so easy to balance, but then practice makes perfect, and also every summer it also very good to go hiking or mountain climbing, or just go to have a road trip here in the most majestic fjords around Norway.
If you want to know more about Norway, their cultures, traditions, and how to speak in Norwegian, just visit my YouTube channel, Pinay Teacher in Norway. Thank you and God bless!